Hello from behind all of my awesome food here. Welcome to Chez, Bistro, Treehouse, and mindfulness cooking. Tonight is going to be amazing. Bob's Red Mill Oatmeal with organic blueberries and Bob's Red Mill ground flaxseed and some organic strawberries and bananas and organic sunflower seeds and an organic apple and Califia coconut milk. All of these products have been scanned by Yuka, so they all rate higher than 50. So nothing here is tied to chronic disease or mental health. From behind my counter, yay! Welcome to my new show, Chez, Bistro, Treehouse. Have the day you want to have, and mindfulness, slowing down enough to fall in love with cooking. Have a fantastic day. May we eat mindful. I have dropped 30 pounds. I've gone from 177 to 147 by eating well. So yay! What's your healthy meal? And what country and what city are you watching from? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily messages to anchor to your calm shoreline and Chez Bistro Treehouse mindful cooking. Bye from behind my dinner.